In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sending domain in Postmark. Connecting your domain tells email providers that Postmark is authorized to send on your behalf. Once it's set up, you'll be able to send from any address at that domain, like support@yourdomain.com, and you'll benefit from stronger authentication that improves deliverability. Start by logging into your Postmark dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open Sender Signatures. This area controls who or what can send from your account. You'll see an option labeled Add Domain or Signature. That button can add a single email address, called a sender signature, or an entire domain. Choose Add Domain so you can authorize every address at once instead of adding them individually. Enter the domain you want to use, such as yourdomain.com, then click Verify Domain. Use just the domain name, without HTTP or www. If you plan to send from a specific subdomain, you can enter that subdomain here as the domain to verify. After you submit, Postmark will generate the DNS records you need. Copy the DNS records that Postmark provides and add them at your DNS host. You'll see a DKIM.txt record, which is required. DKIM lets Postmark cryptographically sign your messages so mailbox providers can confirm they're legitimate. You may also see a return path's name record. While optional, adding it aligns your return path for better SPF compatibility and bounce handling, which can further help deliverability. Every DNS provider's interface is a bit different, but the process is the same. Create a new record with the exact host or name shown, choose the correct type, paste the value exactly as provided, and save. Keep the TTL at its default unless you know you need a change. Avoid adding extra spaces or quotes. Once the records are saved, give DNS time to propagate. It can take up to 48 hours, though it often updates much sooner. If you're not seeing changes, wait a little longer rather than repeatedly editing, since each change resets the clock. When you're ready, return to Postmark and click Verify next to the domain's DKIM row. If the DNS records are live, you'll see the status change to verified. If it doesn't verify, double-check the record type, the host or name field, and whether your provider automatically appends your domain. After verification, you can send from any address at that domain without adding each one separately. You'll also benefit from stronger authentication, leading to improved deliverability and a healthier sending reputation. That's it. You've added a sending domain in Postmark.